Android charger cable. 6 feet long micro USB cable provides a max speed fast charge from any basic USB wall charger adapter or portable charger to your Android cell phone or device for Samsung Galaxy and more. Micro USB charging cable. Our charger cords offer a superior phone data sync and charge experience that is a much faster, more durable and safer charging solution than other cords, built to last and to withstand the rigors of everyday use. Heavy-duty braided cable connector. Micro USB charger features a braided covering and extra-strength connector joint that can endure up to 15,000 lifetime bends without losing shape, so you can bend, twist and pull without fear of fraying or breaking. Safe charging cables. Certified USB charger cable and will not damage or put your device at risk, safeguarding from overheating, overvoltage and short-circuiting. Dimensions compatibility. 6 feet long USB cables are best used at a distance from your power source as a micro USB adapter and Android fast charger for Samsung Galaxy S6, S7, Fire tablet, Kindle, PS4, Bluetooth speaker, wireless headphones. Top reviews from the United States. Reliable, powerful, and fast charge. Unlike any regular micro USB cord, this TalkWorks Mirco USB's woven technology allows for a soft feel to the touch. Excellent for on-the-go use or in the office or home. Just plug the USB end into any USB port or wall block and you're ready to charge your electronics. The color is also very pretty and light. I would recommend this product to all of my friends.